Scurrilous is an adjective that describes language or behavior that is vulgar, abusive, or intended to damage someone's reputation through insults or slander. The origins: the word originates from the Latin scurrilous, meaning buffoon-like or jeering. It entered English in the 16th century, evolving to describe offensive or defamatory expressions. Explanation and usage: scurrilous is often used to criticize speech, writing, or actions that are not only coarse, but also harmful or defamatory in nature. It implies an intention to ridicule or demean someone. Example sentences: the journalist was sued for publishing a scurrilous article about the politician. His scurrilous remarks during the debate shocked the audience. Science cultural significance: the term is commonly used in legal, political, and social contexts to highlight damaging or slanderous language. It underscores the responsibility of maintaining dignity in communication, especially in public discourse. The synonyms: defamatory, intended to harm someone's reputation; abusive, harsh and insulting; vitriolic, filled with bitter criticism or malice. Antonyms: respectful, showing politeness and regard; complimentary, expressing praise or admiration; polished, refined and tactful in speech or behavior. My key takeaway: scurrilous characterizes vulgar and malicious language meant to insult or defame. It serves as a reminder of the power of words and the harm they can cause when used irresponsibly.